Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover overflow property in CSS. Overflow property handles content that is too big to fit into element. Here you can see values of overflow property. When value is visible, you can see overflowed content. When it is hidden, you cannot see overflow content because it is hidden. When value is scroll, overflow content is also hidden, but scroll bars are added so you can see overflow content by scrolling. Auto value also adds scroll bars, but only when they are needed, while scroll value adds scroll bars even there is no overflowed content. In this page I'll add div with id parent, and inside that div I'll add div with id child. I will select parent div and set width of 500 pixels and height also 500 pixels. And I will add border 3 pixels solid black. Then I will select child div. I will set width of 300 pixels and also height 300 pixels and background color orange. And let's see this in web browser. So this is child div, it has bigger dimensions than parent div, so it is rendered outside of parent div box. And it is because default value of overflow property inside parent div is visible. So default value of overflow property is visible. Let's try other values. Hidden. And now overflowed content is hidden, is not visible. Now I will add value scroll. And here you can see I can see whole child div with scrolling because I have scroll bars. If I set overflow property to auto, I will also have scroll bars. But if there's no overflowed content, if width is 150 pixels and height also 150 pixels, there's no scroll bar because there's no overflow content. This is because I use auto value. But if I use scroll value, scroll bars are added although there's no overflowed content. This is difference between scroll and auto. Let's also try these overflow values when text is content, so I'll add paragraph and generate placeholder text, lorem 40 words. Now I will select paragraph, set width of 150 pixels and height of 100 pixels. And I'll also add border 5 pixels solid black. Now overflowed text is visible. If I add overflow hidden, it is hidden. You can see that with text there's no horizontal overflow, so if I add value auto, only vertical scroll bar will be added. And if overflow value is scroll, both scroll bars will be added. You can also control horizontal and vertical overflow separately. So I'll first increase width and height of child div. And now I can use properties overflow-x and overflow-y. And now I can hide horizontal overflow and scroll, vertical overflow. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.